Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn yourself into a bride or groom or in a wedding attire. So if you want to see how you would look like in a wedding attire as a bride and groom, then let me show you how to do this. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store, so go ahead and download that. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for the following account. Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page for that account. Now stay till the end of this video as you'll see the filter appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it from my favorites. So this is the type of video which you can create where you're going to add a photo of yourself or maybe your friends or a couple. Then this will change it into a wedding attire like a bride and groom or maybe the bridesmaids. So once you're happy, tap try this template. Go ahead and tap on use template in Capcut. Go ahead and tap on use AI template. Now you want to go ahead and put a picture of yourself. Now let Capcut apply the AI effect on it. Just give it a few minutes. And now once the effect has been applied, go ahead and tap play and you'll see yourself in a wedding attire. So once you're happy with that, tap export here, then tap save and share to TikTok. Now go ahead and tap on next, add your captions, add your cover page. Go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. Now for those of you who are trying to find this filter, go ahead and visit Test the Simple Dad account on TikTok. And in the video section, you'll see this wedding filter. Tap on this. Then go ahead and tap on Capcut. Try this template right here at the bottom. And then go ahead and follow the instructions on this video. So there you go guys, that is how to turn yourself into a bride and groom on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.